Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I have been in organization mode, and these cups from A-LuGei are the key to getting your desk drawers organized. This is a 32-piece set of plastic cups. I love the trendy pink color, and I love how everything interlocks together. All of the cups fit into one another, and you can really make them into any pattern that you want as long as they lock. I really love that I can assort the arrangement depending on my drawer size, and it has made such a difference when it came to organizing my desk. I feel so much better. I know where everything is, and the cups are durable and they really stay in place. The organizer set would be great for your kitchen area or for a pantry drawer or even for your tool area. I'm so happy that I found this great set. It's such a generous amount of pieces that really allows you to be able to organize however you need to, and you will love how organized you feel and being able to find everything that you need with this set. And that's my point of view.